Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. In this video, we will show you how to create professional emails effortlessly using our AI-powered tool. To access the tool, first you have to click on Professional Email section on the website. Once you click on it, you only have to enter two details, which are author's name, which means you have to write the name of the person who is typing the email, your name. Now here, because I'm typing the email, so I will write my name, which is Sakshi Tiwari. Then it asks for the content to include in the email. Now I'm writing the email because I want leave for 3 days. So here I will write leave for 3 days, and the dates are from August 1st to August 3rd. That's it. And I'm simply going to click on generate. Now, within seconds, you will see a polished email ready to be sent. There we go. I hope you can see that how our AI has crafted a professional email tailored to your input. Now, if you want to make any changes, you can simply click on edit. You can maybe add the name in the beginning of your manager, your teacher, principal, and other details if you want to make any specific changes. Not only this, but by clicking on export, you can directly send the email from here itself. Isn't it fantastic? Right? So thanks for watching this video. Try our professional email tool today at Academiq AI and elevate your email experience. Happy emailing. Nice.